Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing essentials. Install the bot and open your Discord or Telegram client, then paste the token into config. JSON. Once done, grant message and reaction intents and assign a bot role with send/read permissions. Next, launch the bot and watch the startup logs to confirm connection. If it reports missing permissions, stop and update server role settings. Make sure the prefix is set to a single character to avoid command conflicts, and save the config before moving forward. You now configure how the bot plays. Load your geometry dash level profiles into the levels folder and set command to action mappings. Once loaded, map jump, hold, and release actions to the bot's commands and create macros for repeated sequences. Test these mappings in a private server channel to measure timing. Observe frame-perfect jumps and change offsets if inputs are early or late. Make incremental adjustments. Tiny timing changes matter, and log each tweak so you can revert if performance drops. You run full practice sessions and monitor input logs to spot missed jumps or latency spikes. Once done, optimize by lowering loop delays, enabling prediction smoothing, and fine-tuning offsets until success rates rise. For final calibration, run multiple iterations and average timing adjustments. If the bot fails, check role permissions first, then resync system clocks and replay level recordings to recapture timing data. One troubleshooting tip. If inputs drift over time, restart the bot and rerun calibration to clear accumulated latency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.